What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to Auto Auction Rebuilds. We are back at Copart for another Copart walk around. Let's jump into this today with number one on my list. I've been trying to include some of these trailers because I know Copart and the other auctions are all about cars and vans and trucks and stuff like that, but you know, people need trailers, and believe it or not, they do sell a lot of trailers at these places as well. This is nice. This is like a, what is this, 2 1/16 or something like that? Yeah, 2 5/16. This is a nice heavy trailer right here, guys. Got that, I think that's called a Bulldog coupler right there. Very nice. It'd be nice if it was automatic, you know, but it's not. I don't know what this is for. Maybe that's for a spare tire holder or something. I don't know. This is a 2022. I'm wondering if some of these that are showing up out here are repossessions. This is a nice hauler. I know it's a wood bed. Personally, I prefer the steel beds, but does it have radials? It does. These are 225/75 radial R15s. Radials are the way to go on trailers, not the bias plies, guys. I've had both, and I'm here to tell you, radials by far the way to go. You got your hideaway ramps back here. They slide up here. I still think I prefer my tilt trailer, but I mean, realistically, this is a much bigger trailer and a much stronger trailer. Got your D-hooks over here. Then the Ironworks. I've got a 22 Ironworks tilt. And I love it. I do. I love the fact that it tilts. This is a dovetail. It's got the diamond plate on the dub, then it's got the wood deck over here. It's a big trailer, much more sturdy than the one I've got. I just think I like mine better, though. I do. I don't have to worry about ramps. I don't have to worry about them falling out down the road. I've seen that happen where somebody doesn't secure them properly. They turn a corner or something, ramp comes flying out of the back of it. No. But with that said, this definitely looks like a very, very nice, sturdy, solid trailer. It's well built. It's well built right here. And it's fairly wide. I wonder if it says what the dimensions are on it. Is it a... no, it doesn't say there. Does it even have... It doesn't. I wonder if this is a theft recovery. Maybe somebody stole it. There should be a VIN number and the dimensions and stuff. No. And it should tell you like the axle ratings and all that stuff too. That's gone. I don't see that anywhere on it. Cardinal Trailer Manufacturer. I've never heard of them. All I can tell you is just from standing here in front of it and looking at it, this is a nice trailer. Can you drive over these? Oh yeah, you can. Yeah, you can. I wouldn't want to drive over that. You know, once you put the license plate in it, sure, you could absolutely drive over those ramps. Unfortunately, I don't see any information on this trailer at all. So maybe this was a theft recovery, or it could be a repossession. I've noticed some real nice trailers coming out here lately, and I've been wondering where they're coming from. I don't know. If you guys know anything about this trailer, definitely comment below. She's a good size one. She should be coming up for sale. Here's the number, 607-08-592. Let's move on to some cars. How about an Avalanche? $4 grand is biting now. It says it doesn't run though, but you guys know me. I love the ones that say they don't run. In fact, I will come and look at a non-runner before I will come look at one that says it runs and drives. I'm more interested in finding out if the non-runners actually run. Z71, like a Cadillac. She's got good tires. The paint is, you know, it's rough. The vehicle itself it's kind of rough, guys. It's a little bit of a beater, but not too bad. I mean, it's not smashed up. The paint is just faded, scuffed and scratched. But like I said, she's got good tires. She's got all of her stuff back here, including the bed cover. More times than not, I see the bed cover missing. Leather looks nice. No offensive foul odors yet. That's always a plus. Not too bad. Oh, instead of duct tape, someone put some, like, you know, leather over it. I know it doesn't match, but hey, good job. It doesn't stink. I'm shocked. Dead as a doornail. Dashboard looks good. It's missing the radio, but that's okay. That's all right. We'll pop the hood. Of course, she's going to have the 5.3. Let's see what things look like back here. Oh, no. There we go. All right, well, you know, all the plastic crap is kind of wearing on it, but, oh, man. Tailgate weighs about 1,000 pounds. This is not a bad truck. Personally, I'm not interested in it, so if you want it, come and get it. 5899-5442. We'll see if this non-runner actually runs. Uh-oh. Well, that can't be good. Huh. 1, 2, 3 of the plugs are out of the engine. She'll run. She'll run on 5 cylinders. Oh. What? And 3 more missing out of this side. Interesting. The front ones as well. Why? What? Okay. Well, I can tell you this. It's definitely not going to run. Without a doubt, it's not going to run. Man, it sucks you can't work on vehicles here because, let me ask you something. Is it working on vehicles if I don't use any tools, if I just take the spark plugs and screw them back into the cylinder head and put the coil wires back on them? Does that count as working on it? Yeah, I think it does, and I could probably get in a lot of trouble for it, so I'm not going to, but it is so tempting. The spark plugs are right here. The coils are all there. The plug wires are all there. It's just a matter of screw them in and put a jump pack on it and see what it does. We don't even know what the mileage is on this thing. I'm not going to. I know I could hook a jump pack up and we could try to crank it. I'm not going to. Obviously, with 6 spark plugs removed, it ain't going to run. But the fuel system is probably still going to dump fuel, and we could end up washing out the cylinders. I don't want to do that, so I'm not going to mess with it. But $4,000 though, I'm thinking no. I assume the spark plugs have been pulled out for a reason. Most likely there's something wrong with it. Could it be head gaskets? I don't know. I have no idea. Or I wonder if this is one of those that could be affected by that fuel management system. That fuel deactivation, I forget what it's called. Multiple cylinder deactivation or whatever it's called, where you ended up with collapsed lifters. I do wonder if this is within those years that could be affected. Either way, for $4,000, that's the buy it now. They probably want very close to that for this thing. Not running, no spark plugs in it. I'm gonna say hard pass for me. We got one more left. Let's go check it out. How about a $5,000? Well, this one's confusing. This says non-runner, but it now has a D on it. So does it run or does it not? I guess we're going to find that out together. They want like $5,400. It's 2013 BMW 328. If it seems like I'm rushing, it's because I am. They close in literally 8 minutes. So I've got 8 minutes to find out if this actually runs and to go through it with you. Front and back tires, good on this side. 111,000 miles on the odometer, not an X-Drive. That's nice. I know X-Drive is nice to have, but it means more work and more likely problems down the road. Good tires on this side. I do not believe the front and back match, but that's okay. She's got nice tires all the way around. That's all that matters. Let's take a look. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Well, okay. Interesting. You know, I almost feel like we've seen this before. I could be wrong. If you guys recall this, 8-3 of 22. So she's been here for a little while. I don't know. Maybe I'm thinking of something else though. You got both key fobs, which is nice. Dead as a doornail, which is nice. Oh. All right. Let's see what's going on. I swear, something just... I swear I recognize this. Okay, anyway, I'm out of time. I don't have time to sit here and play guessing games with myself. Anyway, if you've seen this car before, drop a comment right now before we bother wasting our time trying to jumpstart it, because you probably already know what's wrong with it. Me personally, I go through so many cars, it's hard for me to remember which ones I've seen and which ones I haven't. But now that I'm here looking at this one, like standing here, I feel like we've seen this one before. You know, I swear we have. Missing the fender liners, missing all the covers, missing a headlight. I swear I remember this car. And they want like $5,400 for it. Oh. Now that's a hot booster pack. It shouldn't have any problems firing up this little car. Little four-banger. No, sir. Give it a little throttle. Nothing. Huh. No, it doesn't do anything. Transmission. What? Ignition switched on. Okay. Something feels very wrong. The engine is not cranking evenly. It's got fuel. 6 of 21 or 114,000 miles is when it needed its next oil change. It's got 111,000 miles, and it's almost November of 22. So I'm going to say something went wrong with this old girl. She's drained my booster pack quite a bit. The cables aren't hot, so that's good. There's not like an excessive draw. When that happens, these cables will get real hot. But I'm sure we probably still have almost full bars on this thing. Yeah, we do. We do. Look. So it's not the... Come on now. It's not the booster pack that's the problem. We've got a good connection on the ground and the positive. Booster pack is fully charged. She's ready to rock and roll, man. But this thing is not cranking evenly. Almost like maybe it's got a little moisture in one or two of the cylinders. I don't know. We're going to make this one short and sweet though, guys. That's it. It doesn't run, even though it says D on the windshield. We're done. D for done. Short videos, I do apologize. I'm rushing through them because I'm out of time, but I still hope you enjoyed the videos. Remember, I'm going to be doing some giveaways soon, so be sure you're subscribed to the channel and that you follow me on Instagram. Links down below. Just click subscribe and click Instagram. Go follow me, and you could win one of the mini cars that I'm going to be giving away here in the near future. Stay safe out there, everybody. I look forward to seeing you all again very soon in the next one.